Okay, we got Peugeot 3008 2018. Just gonna change the oil or filter, or shall we say just a service, it. Okay, should not be complicated, just for safety. Got a rock, I got a backup down there, and on the other side I also got a backup plus additional thing in the back just for safety. Okay, you got 10 mils. Same thing on the other side down there, down there, and down there. I think there are about 5. Just remove this thing and we should be alright. Just to make sure that it's safe. Double check again. Yeah, we should be fine. Okay, this one. There. Next one. Stubborn. So, go on. 6. If you can see, this is use. Okay, tightened up by hand. Yeah, it's a new one. Just tightened by hand. Now I'm just gonna put that thing now. That's it. Yeah, put it on one side. That's it. Should be right. Okay, so I top it up already with the Castrol Magnatec 0W30 C2. Well, you can use any other oil as long as it's recommended in your manual. It's usually 0W30 here in UK, C2. I think there's some other one that's quite good as well, but I prefer this one. So just check gauge, can't see, but it's all in the maximum, just to make sure it's perfect. Just to shut it. And by the way, you can always also check here what, like, you know, your belt looks like. But this one I just changed it last year, so it should go me for another 30 to 50,000 miles, but I must check it. Okay, finished with the change oil. I'm just gonna show you now. It's time to reset the service code. As you can see, I got that service overdue by 200 miles. I got a spawner button on the left side of the screen, so I'm just gonna reset that one using this button here. Just have to switch it on and switch it off, basically. So just gonna do that one, and then hold this one, yeah, and then you just have to switch off, switch on. Okay, we'll do that, shall we? So difficult. We're gonna do this. Just gonna put the phone here. Hopefully it will work. Okay, then we turn off, then push this button, then turn on, then we have the countdown on the side. That's it. Service reset is all done. So we are basically good to start. Now we start the engine. Yeah. So is everything done? We're good for another 5,000. We're good for another 5,000 miles, I should say. Okay, we're gonna change the pollen filter. Peugeot 308 2018. So I got this one here. I got the filter. I got the correct ones. Yeah. And just on the driver's side, you just pop the one out. Then you got this just to unscrew that one. Let's screw this. Peugeot 308. I wanted to change the filter. Can you see the state of the old filter? I don't know when this was changed by the previous owner, but it's a hell of a mission. I must admit, if you haven't got enough patience in you, so don't do it. But again, it's worth trying. So there is a here you remove this clip here. Once you remove that clip, that's here, there's a screw, a hex screw, and then you just pull this one, and then it's on the top. You have to remove this one, remove this one and clip it, and it's there, somewhere there. See that white sticker down there on the side? There's a black clip down there. You just have to use a screw, a flat screw, or you can do it by your hand. Just unclip it, or you can poke it with a flat screw. So just in case you don't, it would be a lot easier for you. Then later on, you'll find out how it looks like. But it's a hell of a mission. To do it. I think I would recommend removing this one, this pluff here. Remove this pluff. It's only just 3 plastic clips. You can remove that one, then you can access properly to change your filter. But yeah, look at that. Look at the state of this filter. It's awful. So yeah, that's done, and as soon as I replace it, I can smell the difference. Smell fresher. And thanks for watching.